Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Hantsport is a small community located on the Minas Basin in Hants County, Nova Scotia. Situated about 10 kilometers east of Windsor, Hantsport has a population of roughly 1,000 people and serves as an important part of the West Hants region. The community is known for its connection to the Bay of Fundy. The area around Hantsport has been home to the Mi'kmaq people for thousands of years. Long before European settlement, Indigenous communities traveled throughout the region using rivers, coastal routes, and inland trails. The Minas Basin provided abundant fishing resources and access to transportation routes that connected communities across Nova Scotia. European settlement expanded into the area during the 18th century. Following the arrival of New England planters after the expulsion of the Acadians, farming communities began to develop throughout the fertile lands surrounding the Minas Basin. The rich soils and moderate climate helped establish agriculture as a major part of the local economy, a role that continues to this day. Hantsport officially developed as a village during the 19th century and became an important transportation and shipping center. Its location on the Minas Basin allowed ships to transport lumber, agricultural products, gypsum, and other goods to markets throughout Atlantic Canada and beyond. The arrival of the railway further strengthened the community's role as a transportation hub. One of the most significant industries in Hantsport was gypsum production. Large gypsum deposits found in the area supported mining operations for many decades. The local gypsum industry became a major employer and contributed significantly to the economy of both Hantsport and the surrounding region. Ships regularly loaded gypsum at local facilities before transporting it to destinations across North America. The Minas Basin itself remains one of Hantsport's most impressive natural features. As part of the Bay of Fundy, the basin experiences some of the highest tides in the world. These dramatic tidal movements shape the shoreline and have influenced local life for centuries. Visitors often find the changing landscape fascinating as large areas of seabed become exposed during low tide before being covered again when the tide returns. Agriculture continues to play an important role in the surrounding area. Farms throughout Hants County produce a variety of crops and livestock products, benefiting from fertile soils and a favorable growing climate. Orchards, vineyards, and other agricultural operations contribute to the economic and cultural identity of the region. Outdoor recreation is popular throughout the area. The scenic landscapes of the Annapolis Valley and the Minas Basin provide countless opportunities to experience the natural beauty of Nova Scotia. The nearby Avon River and surrounding countryside are particularly attractive for outdoor enthusiasts. Housing in Hantsport remains relatively affordable compared to many larger communities in Nova Scotia. The housing stock consists primarily of detached single-family homes, many of which reflect the village's long history. Average home prices generally range between $350,000 and $550,000, depending on location, size, and condition. Properties with views of the Minas Basin or larger lots may sell for higher prices. Today, Hantsport continues to balance its historical roots with modern growth and development. Its connection to the Bay of Fundy, industrial heritage, agricultural surroundings, and strong community spirit make it a distinctive place within Nova Scotia. Although small in population, Hantsport has played an important role in the history of Hants County and remains a welcoming destination within the Annapolis Valley region. Thanks for watching!